Hey, this is the Door and Signal channel. I want to show you one of my side markers. This one's on and this one's off. The bulb has two filaments in it, so one of the filaments I believe is burnt out. It's, I think, the bigger one of them. So this video is going to show basically how to get that bulb out of there. I'm not real sure right now. I think you go in. So you want to turn the wheel in so you can access the inner wheel well here. It has these Torx bits. There's several here. So you're going to want to get one of these. Harbor Freight, they have a cheaper one too there. But this is what the torque bit looks like. Oh man. Focus. So it looks like that. It's got these little splines on it. This one is a T20, so if you have another place that you can't get one of these, like Harbor Freight isn't in your area, you can order one of these online. It's a T20 little bit. They're cheap. You can get, maybe even Home Depot or Lowe's probably even sells these. But that's what you're going to need to get these bolts out, because, you know, GM is doing everything they can to make you take it back to the dealership for, you know, a $400 light bulb change, which is crazy. You can do this yourself. So you want to turn the wheel in, take those bolts out, and I'll be right back, show you how to pull the bulb out, change that. So I got the bulb most of the way out here. If you look at the, you might not be able to see this on the film, but if you look in the filaments here inside the bulb, one is good and one is burnt out. I doubt I can show you this on film. You just have to trust me. But this bulb, all you do is just pop it out of here. It's probably a two-handed job here. So I went to the store. Walmart didn't have them, of course. So I went to AutoZone. They had them for like $7 with the tax. So this is what you want here. This 7444NA. Same bulb as the old one. What you want to do with this is get yourself some gloves before you install it, because you should never handle the bulb like this before you install it, because it sounds crazy, but the little bit of oil on your fingers, when this thing gets red hot, it'll boil the glass and crack it, and it will make the bulb. You'll have to do this again. Nobody wants to do this more than they have to. So get yourself some gloves before you open this package to install it. So I'm going to do that first, and we'll install it here. So it seems like if you pull this out, it might be a little bit easier to install, because this has real tight tolerances because of this rubber gasket, so water doesn't get in there, because you're going to really have to push up on this to turn. And with the connector on it, you just can't do that. So to disconnect it, there's a little button here on the side. You have to press that while you pull the bulb fixture out. So that's what I'm going to try to do, is stick this up in the light cavity here, get it situated, and then connect the connector on there, because there's just not enough room in there to do all this, and trying to get upward pressure to turn this and locking in place is really difficult. I got the screws back in here, the 3, and when I was putting my hand in here, there's tabs that go into this black rubber part. So when you're trying to maneuver that light back in, which is a real pain to get back in and seated, you might pull these tabs along here out. So be aware of that. You might have to maneuver this, because it's all plastic. It's all kind of shitty. They only use these plastic tabs to get stuff together, because it's cheaper for them to put together and faster. So you might have to maneuver this a little bit once you're done, put it together. But there it is. I mean, it's in, so hopefully that lasts a while, because that was not fun to put back in. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down in the comments. Thanks.